Hello friends. So in today's video we'll discuss about time cycles in stocks, how we can find time cycles in stocks using some simple mathematical concepts which are not at all complicated, how we can use these concepts to trade in to find some important trading moves in the stocks or indices. Now this is a chart of DV's lab. On this day, which is 3rd of February, it made a fall of almost 11%. Can we find these kind of moves well in advance? Can we find these kind of days well in advance? Now, having said that, these are mathematical concepts. At the end of the day, trading is all about your risk management and your ability to ride the trend. It doesn't mean that you can short at this top and cover at this bottom. This is not trading about. This is, very difficult to do. But eventually, if 11% you are able to capture 6 to 7%, that is a very decent move. You know, a bank FD gives 7 to 8% a year, and if you are able to capture such kind of trades 3 to 4 times a year, you can make very decent money. But when these trades will come, it's something we should be mindful about. So let me show you how to find these kind of time cycles. Now to do that, like Gan used to tell, always study the past, find from major high and low, next major move can be find out. So today we are using a concept of sine. Now sine trigonometry. So we used to have sine, cosine, tan, So and today, so all these things can be used, but for today I'll give you an example of sine. So sine 60 degree is a very, very important angle. So if I do sine 60, okay, let me just show you again. First you type 60 and I want to calculate the sine value of 60, which comes to 0.866. Now this is a very, very important number. So what we are doing is, this is the chart of DV's lab. And if you can see here in 2019, 19th March 2021, it made a bottom of 3153. I think I've taken a wrong bottom. Yeah, let me just quickly show you the calculations here. So DV's lab on 9th March 2000, yeah, 14th August 2019, it made a low of 1466. So first let's go and check this figure. Yeah, 14th August 2019, it made a low of 1466. From there, the stock has been rallying. This was a long-term bottom. Now, what we'll do is, the calculations are very simple. So 1466, and it made this on this day, 14th August 2019. Now what we are doing is we are adding this value, the price value with 0.866, which is sine 60 degree value, and adding to this date. So what I am doing is equal to, let me just show you somewhere here, equal to, if you want to create your own formula, just type equal to 1466 multiplied by 0.866. So you get this value 1269. Now add this value to this low 14 August 2019 plus 1269. It will give you a date of 13th February 2023. Now what happened 3rd February 2023 and 3rd February, the stock has seen a very, very big fall of almost 11%. Now this is just a date. How do I use? I use price cycles also. This is an important swing indicator which we use. So in the opening it was below this, and this move was very difficult to capture in intraday. If I just quickly show you on intraday, I go to a 5 minutes or a 4 minutes chart, and I go to 2023.03. The first fall is quite rapid. This was very difficult to capture, right? I mean, it's basically some big selling happened in the first 8 minutes. So after that, what we can do is, so my next important level here is 3190. So let me go and check what happened at 3190. Yeah, see here. So the price went above 3190, then it started going. See, 3190 acted as a strong resistance, and from there the big fall has started. Like at 12:51, before this big fall, we were short at 3190. And what were our potential targets? Our potential targets were, as per my indicator, 3190, then 3098, 3011, 2924. These are our targets. So you can keep booking your profits here. So it's a very, very simple thing. Just add that value. Now similarly we have done this calculation, so we have our own scanner here which will figure out what dates are coming here. So like Apollo Hospital on 20th February, let's quickly go and check what happened to Apollo Hospital. 20th February, again this was the top. I'll just touch here. 20th February, uh, which is here, 17, 20th. See, it was also a short-term top. It price got rejected here, and from there we had a decent fall. This day, this stock fell 2% and another 1%. Generally, I'm expecting 4 to 5%. You get big moves, it's good. So, but at least you can keep booking your profits here. Similarly, you can, pause the video and look for these. Muthoot Finance, Dr. Reddy's, Stumble Fertilizers. These were the stocks in February. Let me quickly show you for January also. Uh, 2023, yeah. So, 1 minute, yeah. So January you can backtest these stocks. We have got lot many. ACC was on 19 January 23. ACC has been in news. Let's see what happened on 19 January 23. 19 January. Yeah. So this was a perfect top. After that, such a nice fall came in. And if I touch to this top, you get easily trading levels. Before this big fall, this price already came here. So yeah, using these simple techniques you can capture, you can pause these videos and look at how these things have performed. And now let me quickly, tell you what are the important dates for March based on these calculations, based on our scanner. And you can develop on your own. I mean, I've just told you the technique. Just spend some time, calculate the highs and lows and do it. See here, these are the stocks: Eicher Motor, Escorts, HDFC, Hindu Unilever, and with these dates. You can watch out for these stocks. So yeah, that's about it. A very small video how you can find time cycles for stocks, how they can be used to find some important moves in the stocks. And these calculations are not shared, but you can use any of your indicators to do it. But yeah, these are helpful calculations which based on our experience. But apart from that, I have told you how to find these stocks so you can use them and use it in your trading. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'll try to answer them. Thank you.